bacon is delicious. It's savory, it's chewy, it's crunchy, it's everything you want in a mouthful. I loved it in burgers, I loved it with breakfast, I loved it with French toast. And I'm pleased to announce that you can now love it even more using rice paper sheets and a few simple ingredients that are around the pantry. I made 2 variations, one using nutritional yeast and another using Marmite. So absolutely everybody can make this delicious treat. Enjoy. Alright, let's get to it. So step 1 is the bacon sauce. Now this is what you will be using to baste the rice paper sheets in to give it that bacon flavor. I will list all the ingredients in the description box for both variations. If you don't have nutritional yeast, it is just a B12 supplement, cheesy, umami ingredient that a lot of vegan houses have. But if you don't, honestly, Marmite, it really does the same trick. Oh yes, we all make mistakes. I forgot to add the oil. The oil is crucial because that is what crispens up the rice paper and creates those bubbly layers. But as always, taste as you go and adjust to your preference. Now, deassemble. Ensure that you have your scissors nearby because rice paper sheets, as soon as they get wet, honestly get so sticky. I'm using cold water here and very quickly dunking each one in before holding them together. Merely holding them together actually just makes them stick. I cut it straight onto a non-stick tray. I did do this before cutting it onto the table surface, and let me tell you, it stuck so intensely. So yeah, lessons learned. Non-stick surface. You want to evenly baste each strip with the sauce because again, that's what gives it the bacon flavor. And yeah, it's really miraculous how this works. I'm honestly, Edgy Veg, you are my queen. You see there, it did get a little bit sticky, but I've actually found layering the rice paper with some folds afterwards gives it again a little bit more body, a little more texture and crunch. And if you just cook it for 4 minutes, it really gives it a nice chew. And there it is, all laid. You got to set your oven to 230 degrees Celsius and 4 to 6 minutes. 4 minutes for really chewy, 6-7 minutes for really crispy. This was on 7 minutes and you can see it is crisp. There's a little fold I was talking about before. Oh, that crunch. So good. So good. Okay, now the second variation without using nutritional yeast, by using infamous Marmite. We're gonna go with a little bit more sugar this time, just because the Marmite is super intense. And these are all rough guidelines. I saw a meme once where it said you just want to put in spices until your ancestors say to stop. So I would truly recommend tasting after each ingredient is put in, because that's how you understand how your flavors are working for you. And I just kind of gently mix this Marmite in. I'm not gonna lie, this was the 3rd attempt at this variation, which is why the Marmite has gone in second. But same as before, we're going to cut, baste, and lay and bake for 4 to 6 minutes depending on your preference. And this one actually turned out way better. Like, I only cooked it for 5 minutes and it's perfect. Now, how could I do a bacon video without an on-screen taste test? So here is the vegan bacon without the nutritional yeast. I love the way it puffs up and crinkles like this. Like, it just looks like bacon. It's wild. Thank you, Edgy Veg, for enlightening my life. I merely tweaked your recipe and got this because I was a maple glazed honey cured bacon girls, so this, yeah, it's in my prayers. So crunchy, but chewy, and I wonder if you could add more layers next time. So good. Back to the video. So that's the video, guys. Vegan rice paper bacon. So easy. Honestly, I think I can whip this up now in about 10 minutes. I've made it with French toast. I've done it with polenta and kind of had the bacon on the top. Classic bagel with sesame and all the trimmings. Oh, if you like this video, please subscribe. I'm aiming to release a new video every week. Bye.